How to use Allstate's Roadside Assistance feature. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in allstate.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, at the top right corner, you'll see the option of login. Click on that, provide your credentials, and then log into your account. Type in the user ID and the password. Once we're logged in, look for the Roadside Assistant option on the home screen. It's typically easy to spot, but if you don't see it right away, you can find it by tapping on the menu icon and selecting Roadside Assistance from the list. After selecting Roadside Assistance, you'll be prompted to choose the type of service you need, whether it's a flat tire, battery jump start, fuel delivery, or even towing. Allstate has you covered. Select the service you need and then you'll be asked to confirm your current location. The app will automatically detect your location using GPS. Next, provide your additional details that might help the service provider assist you more effectively. Once everything is set, review your request and tap Confirm. The app will provide you with an estimated time of arrival for the assistance, and you can track the service provider's process in real time. Sit tight and wait for the service provider to arrive. Once they are on their way, you'll receive updates through the app, so you will know exactly when to expect them. When the provider arrives, they will assist you with the service you required. And that's how easy it is to use Allstate's Roadside Assistant feature. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.